Hey, Blake's going to tell you what the point of this routine is when he looks at me.
Yeah, so you'd need to build a general base of physical literacy, movement competency, capacity and mobility.
So this routine is basically a way to get started in the gym and get stronger, to be in the boat without getting injured. Enjoy. Okay, so there's exercises you can start with. You can do some foam rolling if you want. I'm not convinced that it does anything, but some people like it. And then once you've done that, we're going to do pre-workout stretches, dynamic stretches, and you can do these before you get in the boat as well. Exercise number 1 is a Spider-Man, and Blake's going to show you how to do that.
Yep, let's go. Press up position, you're going to go foot outside your hand. If it's my right foot forward, you're going to go right hand to the sky. I'm going to follow my hand with my head to open like a full spine, then switch.
Okay, and from the side. Great. Number 2, 90-90s.
So from here, I'm going to have my front leg 90 degrees, my back leg's going to be 90 degrees, my thighs are going to both be perpendicular to the body. With a straight back, I'm going to try and get my sternum to my knee. And then if I can, I'm going to switch with no hands. If I can't, I'll put my hands behind me and switch and repeat.
Great. 3 is our push-up complex. Take it away.
Yep, starting your push-up position. All I'm going to do from here is go into a dynamic dog position. From here, I'm going to scrape my nose along the floor, into a cobra, reset, push up, and repeat.
Okay.
Do a scat push up with a dynamic dog. So start to put my shoulder blades together, I'll spread my shoulder blades, dynamic dog, reset.
Great. Hip pulse, this is great for those tight hip flexors that we all have from working out in the kayak all the time.
Yep, so if we're looser than most people, we can start with our foot up on a bench, knee to floor. This foot's going to be used for stability. I'm going to tuck my pelvis under, and all I'm going to do is just lean forward on that front foot. If that's too hard and we can't get into this position, I'll take that back foot down, start here, tuck my pelvis under, and just roll forward on that leg.
Great.
Yeah, so your lunge complex will just be comprised of 3 lunges to start off with, really basic. We're going to go forward, lateral and reverse. Builds in single leg stability on the standing leg, so to try and keep this foot off the floor unless we touch it. Up, lateral, up, reverse. Up. Okay, switch.
So the next one is squat to Y.
Yeah, everyone knows how to squat, but we add the Y-ing to warm up your upper body as well. Shoulders apart, slightly turned out. I'm just going to squat down to a Y. Back up, squat down, back up. Your band pull pad's going to warm up the muscles that control your scapula. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the band, be generous with it. You can get these bands anywhere as well as physio bands. So palms going to face the roof. I'm just going to wrap this around my chest here. Then I'm going to go into the start position.